How can we connect more deeply with nature? Well, firstly, we can come out into beautiful spaces like this. It doesn't have to be a wood, it could be a park or your garden. Nature is everywhere. One of the quickest ways I connect with nature is I find a space like this. I rub a stick into the ground here beneath this ancient beech tree and I smell this beautiful, beautiful soil enriched with trillions and trillions of microorganisms. Sadly, if you go into our parks, you'll find there's only billions of organisms, microorganisms there. There are trillions here. And when it's wet and damp like this, they give off this wonderful smell. It's called petrichor. And that connects me deeply with the natural world.